exhaust fan on the washroom. This is a newer house. They have a different kind, so you can pull out the fan and then you can clean it up. This one here. This is over 3 years old, and this is a slip-on. There's a, you can pop it out like this. You see this clip? Yeah, just pull it out, and it slip on here on this. Yeah, we're gonna pull this out, the whole piece, and it's plugged in here. See the plug? Yeah, this is a slip-on. You can remove this screw, and we can just pull it out straight, and we can clean. Okay, see you later. Hello, this time we're gonna clean it with the air, and we use a compressor air, just a normal compressor air, and we're gonna blow all those dirt to stick on the blades of the fan as much as I can, and then the leftover we can use cotton buds, wipes, and screwdriver to clean the each blade, because it's hard to clean up with the air because it stick for a long time. It's around 3 years old, so I will suggest you to clean your exhaust fan maybe every year. Okay guys, here's the leftover that the air compressor can remove. It's really sticky dust and fibers, so I have to use wet tissue, or you can use a brush like that, so you can clean all the blades. Otherwise, if you put it back there with lots of dust, it will attract another dust, so it's better to clean it once, really clean, and it will take another year or so before I remove that. Yeah, this fan is easy to remove. It's just very easy, very convenient to remove. Okay, let's continue cleaning it with a brush, because I can remove it with a wet tissue with a screwdriver. So I think this is better process to use for cleaning the blades. Hello guys, now we continue to clean all the dust, and up to 100% clean. Yeah, maybe, but thank you for watching guys. Subscribe, and I hope you have the same fan that I have. This one is a slip-on easy rotary fan. Yeah, it's good to do it by yourself. Then it's hard to call the maintenance guy, you have to maintain it yourself. You can save a lot of money. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. Bye.